Alright, you guys ready? So yeah, a lot has changed in the last month and a half since we made our last video. My car died, for one, so I got this brand new Chrysler Pacifica van. Love it. It's been amazing. And I've been really busy working. I've been doing several commercial advertising jobs since the beginning of September, and it's just kept me really busy and not had a lot of time to film or edit or any of that kind of stuff. We did get a new kitten. That was pretty cool. Her name is Frankie. She'll go along with Alice. They're probably like tumbling through our entire house right now, causing chaos, but that's what cats do. And yeah, so today we're headed out to Valencia, and we'll update you when we get there. So we're at the Valencia Town Center now, where we're going to the Apple Store because Madison got herself a new iPhone 12 Pro. So we're here to pick it up. Hi. Alright, we're checking in. I can help you actually.
Well, it's not really.
Is that your phone?
Yeah.
Let's see.
Ooh, it's pretty.
It's pretty blue. Look at that.
You got the blue one?
Yeah.
It's so smooth. Did they do a different thing on it? Hold on. Oh no, I have a stove camera. Ready?
Yeah.
It feels like the iPhone 6s and the 7s. How does it turn on?
Feels like a giant iPhone 4.
It does. That's what it feels like.
Even the iPhone 5 is like that too. So we're over here eating at Lucille's Barbecue. Haven't had it in a while. Normally go to the one down in Orange County, but we just haven't been in Orange County that much. Madison, what's
Hola.
on your face?
Hola.
What's that on your face?
A foreign object.
The nose piercing.
So Madison got her nose pierced too in the last couple of weeks, and kind of interesting. I'm more of an open kind of person. I'm cool with experimenting and doing different things like that. But, yeah.
Next is gonna be my eyebrow.
No. Not gonna happen. I'm not down for the eyebrow. Check out this pond. Isn't this cool?
Turtle.
Yeah, look at that.
Oh.
Look at all those turtles.
How
How many turtles are there? Jeez.
Oh my god, I did not realize the ones on the rocks.
You didn't see those?
No, I did not.
And then there's another pond over here. And there's a giant bear. Huh. Alright, so now we're done eating lunch and we're gonna head over to the other side of the mall where we're gonna be meeting somebody to pick up a new pet. It's going to be a little rescue mouse named Phil.
Mr. Phil, he's currently hiding, I believe, under his hut. He's transitioned to the middle. Have a great day, guys.
You too.
Bye.
Thank you.
There he is.
Where is he?
He's under his little house. He's looking around. So you got Phil there?
Yes, I have Phil.
You got Phil, we got Phil!
Silver speed.
I'm going to introduce Mickey Mouse with Mouse because they're both
Don't
mouse.
drop him in my car.
I think she cleaned the cage with vinegar.
That's what
Guess
this
not.
Vinegar.
Don't drop the mouse in my car.
She said he's a bit.
Oh, what's going on over here? There's like people protesting.
Take a slight right turn.
What do their signs say?
Stand up for our law enforcement officer.
Nice.
Oh, now
Look
they
at
say
that.
Mark Garcia.
Mike Garcia for Congress.
I don't know who Mike Garcia is.
Oh, there's a Trump sign.
Where?
Right over there.
Who's Mike Garcia?
So this is Frankie. This is the new kitten. She's a little kitty kitten. And she's really tiny. Hi Frankie, say hi. Say hi Frankie.
He has a big nest.
Alright, so now we're heading out and we're gonna meet up with our neighbors and kind of do a little social distancing gathering, a little picnic in the cars, and drive around and look at some of the Halloween decorations and things set up around town. So it should be fun. We're up in our mountains and hanging out with the vans.
Why not,
And there's us and there's them. What's up, my peoples?
going on YouTube?
Probably.
McDonald's sponsor us.
Ba-dum-bum-bum-bum. Look at this. I got my Happy Meal and I'm ready to be happy. Ba-dum-bum-bum-bum. I'm loving it, but not that J Belvin meal. I don't know what the deal with that stuff is. People have gone and created a map with the different Halloween decorations. So that's kind of cool. So we're following that around and figuring out where to go. Oh, that guy's scary.
There's two of them. Wait, we can actually sit closer if you go this way. I like the big one. I like that one. Well, the window just open, Dad.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, the curtain just open.
Is it like Madame Leota?
No, it's the people dancing. I see it. I see it. That's kind of disturbing. Kind of disturbing.
Alright, so it's been a fun night and seen a lot of decorations. There's so many that we can't hit them all. But it seems like people are really going like all out this year. I guess because of the pandemic, they don't really have, you know, anywhere else to be but stay home and decorate for Halloween and stuff and really make it fun. But it's been cool, but we're getting tired now, so we're gonna call it a night and maybe we'll head back out later this week, see what else we can find. But for now, yeah. Anyhow, like this video if you do, subscribe if you haven't, and we'll see you on the next one. Peace out.